Hey y'all, according to myself it's day 21. Where have I been? I've been hiding because I've been really sinful. Been slack, but I'll explain more about that later. It's day 22. I need to talk to everyone about how last week went, as I need to do a review of last week's crazy week and what I did and didn't do and what I ate and didn't eat. But it's a new week though. So we just finished work and we are at a Indian vegetarian restaurant. And everything is legit vegetarian, no meat. So we're trying a Punjabi curry and it's got like chickpeas and lentils and all that good stuff. And Annie almost asked if there was any meat. And she's like, oh wait, it's vegetarian. Like, of course, you're the one that said to come here to this vegetarian place. So Annie's my godmother. She looks very tired.
I'm very tired.
And she looks wasted. Appetizers are samosas, vegetarian samosas. Nice.
Spicy.
With tamarind sauce or paste.
Spicy though.
I'm having garlic naan and Punjabi curry. Punjabi curry is like chickpeas and spinach and something rather inside here. Why did you forget, JJ? A damn straw brings a spoon. Shocking. What's strawberry? Well, you're thinking, right?
I don't know why I grabbed spoons.
Hi, JJ. Say hi to my vlog.
Hey, miracle vlog?
He is so excited. This is my second catch up for today. So I've got one more tonight. Hi to the future catch ups. Strawberry. Why did you forget, JJ? A damn straw brings a spoon. Shocking. Strawberry. Hi JJ, say hi to my vlog.
Hey, miracle vlog?
He is so excited. What day is it today? Wednesday. It's day 23. Breakfast!
What's it?
Want to say hi to my vloggers?
Hello! Hi, vloggers!
Roti. What's wrong with it? It's the end of day 23 and I'm at the gym. I haven't been to the gym in literally a fortnight. I'm not sure why I'm smiling, but because it's really stupid that I haven't been to the gym. I'm upside down. Yeah. Sit-ups on this thing.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh. That hurts a lot.
Did you explode?
No.
Just stop it. 1, come on. 2, let's go, up. Come on. 3, down, up. Okay, let's go, 4. 3 to get, come on, sis. Let's go, sis, come on.
So what happens when I come to the gym for a full night? You come do circuit training with your brother and everything feels like jelly. And who's the stupid one at the end of the day? I physically feel sick. I feel like legit spewing. Remember the first time I came in a long time and I felt like spewing? Well, I'm quite worried I'm gonna spew in the car. I'm feeling nauseous. Hey guys. I feel physically sick. Like disgusting. And that's a reminder to myself not to go off track for over a week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I didn't vlog those 4 days because the days before that I was so slack with my eating. I ate like I ate a cookie time and chocolate chip cookie, 2 vegetable triangles from the bakery. Twice I had fries from Macca's, orange juice. And on Sunday I had a piece of chocolate cake, had some ice cream at our Connect launch. Eating too much bread really. And then the lead up to today was I just feel like so disgusting and yuck, and I just really want to vomit everything out after that workout with Lige. My encouragement is for anyone trying to lose weight, it is not worth going back. I promise you. Just smash it going forward and don't look back like I did. Learn from my mistakes. But you know what's cool? Like, you can never go too far that you can't come back. The choice is yours. Welcome to day 24. I'm having breakfast. Peach, H2O, Weetabix and banana. We're coming to the A of day 24, or to the end of day 24, and we're at the gym. What's up? Hey, Wiz! Clearly here to work out. What the heck? First you take my keys. Freaking hot up in here. Not wearing no rubbish bag or nothing. My legs are still shaking from freaking out yesterday. So it's not funny. Anyways, I treated myself to a banana bread. Some of y'all are asking what's in my kebabs. Okay, so I have tabbouleh in it. Tabbouleh is parsley with red capsicum and red onion. I have lettuce, carrot, mushroom, tomatoes, and falafel. So that's what's in my kebab. And I get yogurt chili sauce, or yogurt garlic sauce, and sweet chili. Just finished another circuit training with Lige. Help me, Jesus. Day 25. This is breakfast. My legs are still dead from the previous gym sessions of circuit training with Elijah. I can't bend my legs. I have to keep them straight. It's just so sore. I'm doing vegetarian burgers.
Huh?
Hey yo! I'm catching up with this beautiful person. What do I have? I have English breakfast tea with skim milk. Hi Tala.
Hi. What did I say?
After.
2 Corinthians chapter 9.
Day 26. We are at the mountain, Mount Cootha. It's 5:30, almost 5:30 in the morning. I'm still shot. I can feel a fever coming on. My legs are so freaking sore from the circuit training still. I can't even stretch because they're so sore. Now I walk like an idiot. But anyways, I'll let you know how it goes. Ow. So after the mountain, we squashed something.
What's this guy doing?
He's exercising. We went to get some food for breakfast. This is what I'm having. Muesli and yogurt and fruit.
Sauce in it. It kills it.
Oh, does it? And I'm having a spinach and feta roll wrap.
It's like feta.
It's got feta, spinach. Wait. Oh, feta, spinach, tomato. Yeah. No bacon. Almost coming up to the end of the first quarter of this 90-day challenge. Yay. I feel nauseous. I need to go to the doctors because I'm not feeling 100%. Why? Because I need to eat more vegetables and more salads. So we are at it's the afternoon of day 26. We had lunch and then now we're here at Andrew's game, here to support, send some love. He's the green and yellow team, but I can't find him. Hey guys! Hey guys! I press record and then make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links will be down below in the just above the comment section.